So what we will be learning about today is inverse trig functions from chapter 7.1 and 7.2. So what to remember from previous chapters is this specific chart and this chart as well. Sorry. So what to always remember is that the answer will always be an angle. When finding inverse cosine, you will always be looking for the answer within these two quadrants. When finding inverse cosine, you will always be looking within these two quadrants, quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. When looking for inverse tan, it'll be the same quadrants as inverse cosine, so quadrant 1 and quadrant 4.
So our first example will be sine inverse of 0. So sine is y over r, which is 0 over 1. So our answer would equal 0. Our second example is cosine inverse rad 3 over 2, and the reference angle is 30. So our answer will be 30. So the sine inverse of -2 would be undefined because it's more than 1. The tan inverse of 1 would be 45 based on the chart. So for this problem, you would use x, y, and r. And x equals 3, y equals 4, so r would equal 5 because of the triples. And then you would be using cosine, so cosine is x over r, so that would equal 3 over 5. So sine 3 pi over 4 is sine 45, which is rad 2 over 2. And the inverse of cosine of rad 2 over 2 is 45. So that's your answer.